So, I don't know if she can hear me, but Annie's flying my drone right now, so I'm kind of nervous. I can see it though. I can see that the drone's okay. I always like showing up at the beach in the morning, walking down this trail. You can already hear the sound of the waves. Well, that's what I was hearing. Some decent waves. I would say those are probably, most of them are about knee high, but some of them get up to waist high, that's kind of big for around here. Waves don't get that big around here. Let's be honest. Florida waves can be fun. When I was a lot younger, when I first moved to Florida, I would surf all up and down this East Coast, and it was fun. But the waves are predominantly kind of mushy and not the best in the world, that's for sure, but still fun. Not taking anything away from them. It's just the way it is. So, I don't know if she can hear me, but Annie's flying my drone right now, so I'm kind of nervous. I can see it though. I can see that the drone's okay. We're gonna do a help me find my best drone shot, father against daughter. So Annie is flying the drone right now, and she is gonna get 2 shots. She's flying my drone too. So when she finds 2 shots, she's gonna film them, and we're gonna put them as Annie shot 1 and Annie shot 2. Then I'm gonna fly the drone, and I'm gonna get 2 shots. When I'm done flying and I found my 2 shots, I'm gonna put those as Dad shot 1 and Dad shot 2. But first, we need to take a look and see what shot won the last episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. In that episode, we visited a beautiful location called Chastain Beach, one of my favorite beaches. Shot 1 was a beautiful shot of the sunrise. Gary with Healthy Vegan Living said, shot 1 with the sun was his favorite. Thank you, Gary, for making a comment. Shot 2 showed just how narrow this section of the island is. And I like the way the sun flared off the water. Marianne voted for shot number 2. Thanks, Marianne, for voting and making a comment. Shot 3 was a beautiful shot heading down the coastline. We even got a bird in the shot. Max Trustful said, I like shot 3 the best. Thanks so much, Max, for voting and making a comment. This was a really close contest, and we got a lot of votes, and I'd like to thank everyone that made a comment and voted. But the shot that ended up winning by 1 vote was shot number 2. This is like take 2 because, to be honest with you, I don't think I was filming last time. I mean, I just gave the best spiel of all time, but I wasn't recording, and so y'all can't prove that it wasn't. But anyway, Annie flew the drone, and to be honest, I think she's a little nervous flying Dad's drone. She has her own drone, the Spark, but I think she was nervous flying mine. She didn't get very high. She stayed like right over here, so I don't know what kind of shots she got. They could be the best shots in the world, or they might be crap. So, me on the other hand, she didn't fly through a whole battery either. She gave it to me halfway through the battery. So I flew it, and I'm telling you right now, for 5 minutes I flew the shit out of that drone. That drone, I flew it down the beach, I flew it back up the beach, I flew it over the water, and I don't know. We'll see if I got 2 shots, we'll see if she got 2 shots, and whatever the best 2 shots I got, I will post in this video. There'll be Dad shot 1, Dad shot 2. Whatever best shot Annie got, she's gonna post in the video. What are you gonna call your shots?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Okay, so we'll call Annie's shot, Annie shot 1, Annie shot 2. Then you vote on which shot you like. And you know what, to be honest, I think she's gonna win because you are gonna be like, oh, we gotta vote for Annie because, you know, we don't like you, Scott. But anyway, that's fine. That's fine. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help us find our best drone shot. Is it the father or daughter shot that's best? Let us know.